All right, so this is the start to our fresh welding series. This is something that I've never done before, so I'm going to take you guys on the journey of kind of how I'm learning, and hopefully you guys can give me some advice if you see that I'm doing something wrong. But I've got some stainless steel coupons that I've got some from Amazon that we're going to give it a try on. I've got the Everlast Typhoon 230. I've got I believe this is the number 9 torch, and I've got the Everlast starter kit that we're going to try first. And if I need to upgrade those, I will. So with stainless, we've got some 308L filler wire from Arc Captain. We're going to try that out. And then we've got Yes Welder Blue 2% lanthanated tungsten that we're going to use. And I also have a tungsten grinder that I'm going to use to sharpen the tip on this. Not sure what angle or degree or whatever it's supposed to be, but I can do 15, 22 and a half, or 30. So I'm just going to do a quick Google search on that and see what we can come up with. So we're going to try 30 degrees and see what that looks like. Now I assume, since this has a blue end, that's what goes inside the torch. So we'll sharpen the other side. Perfect. It actually works extremely quick. Interesting. All right. Not sure if I need to clean this. I'm gonna assume that we need to. I got some isopropyl alcohol that we're gonna use. So just keep this straight. Not really sure. We're gonna give it a shot. I've got the number 6. Got this. This is 1.6. This is 2.4. 1.6. 2.4. All right, so I guess you thread this in first. You put the collet from the back. Then you put this on. This appears bent. I guess you put this on after. And then you slide your tungsten in. Yeah, that works. So, not sure the distance that I need to pull out, so let me go ahead and watch that other video. All right, so what I read is you can stick the tungsten out as far as the cup itself. So this is a number 6. I don't know what that is. Let's just go like that, see what happens. This thing appears to be like switching back and forth, so I don't know what that means. Maybe the sensitivity is too... I'm not sure. That's the delay, sensitivity, and shade. I should probably read the manual on the helmet before I go blind. So we'll grab that. All right, so what I really like about this unit is it actually kind of walks me through everything. So it tells me gas flow needs to be 13 CFH. I've got around 50 amps. Could move that up a little bit. 52 amps, I guess, is a sweet spot. It actually tells me to use cup size 5, so I will change that. And I've got my work thickness. I'm actually working with 17 gauge, so I just put that on 18, and I've got stainless steel. Tungsten diameter, oh, that's wrong. Got that as 3/32. And I've got butt joint for what we're working on. I don't know what this is. T2, 2T, what is that, remote? I don't know. Pulse is off. That's good. So let's go ahead and adjust the gas to 15. So I guess something like this. I don't really know how that works. I see. So I actually have to hit the pedal to adjust the gas. So that's about 15, so it should be good there. So let me change out this cup really quick to the 5, and we'll give it a shot, see what happens. So this coupon came, I guess, like tack welded together. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be tack welded or if I'm supposed to break the pieces apart, but we're just gonna try like it is. We'll go from there. Kind of nervous, but I'm gonna learn somehow. Just try tacking for now and see what happens. Can't see anything. It's like the helmet kicks on and then off. I don't know why it's doing that. It does work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. like super hot. Interesting. Yeah, I can't keep doing this. Now it's trash. I don't know what the hell is going on or what, but it's not working. Done. So recap on the welding. You can see I've got some gas issues here. This is just a test piece, kind of learn the craft. Found out the gas line from, oh, that's power. Gas line, already took it off. Gas line here had an actual pinhole in it, so I've got to replace that from the bottle to the welder. That was the majority of my issue. I do want to get some different welding cups, crank up the CFM on that. Basically cure my gas issue. Get the larger cups here. This is not a gas lens, so it's just a small one. So ideally with working with stainless, you want a bigger cup gas lens, so that way you've got adequate shielding. Still got a long ways to go to perfect this, but I'll probably order some stainless flat stock too, so that way I can try different weldings or welding styles. I don't know if this was a good idea for my first venture, but it wasn't horrible. I just need to perfect the gas issue.